Guys like my sweater? On the truck. I fixed it. I'll show you what I had to do to get this thing to go right. With how many miles does this thing have on it? 295,446. Officially, it's right now today. It's running good. Sounds beautiful. Let me show you what I did. You know about the new alternator and the new belt. What you don't know about this, in conjunction with the deep cycle battery and everything else that I had to do to it, and some drama last night that we're not going to get into. All in all, we're about 800 bucks in with the tank of gas, and it works. Let's give it the old one-time go around. Let's see. Off. Beautiful, beautiful. Very satisfying, very necessary, very done. Thank freaking God. If you want to support this channel and other maintenance stuff like this, and bigger, better, cooler, funner projects, and doing some crazy stuff, go check out my Patreon. Please, patreon.com/loudnoises. Double check it this time, that's actually what it is. Have a beautiful, blessed, freaking amazing day. Because I slept in. So my day's a little behind schedule, but it's lovely outside.